Hello and welcome back to my channel. Coming up next is this 1963 Impala. This is a 1963 Impala that's gonna get an overall paint job. And why is it gonna get an overall paint job, you might ask? Well, as you can see, the paint was not applied good. Whoever painted this car didn't do a very good job, guys. You can feel it. You can actually feel like if it's sandpaper. You can see all the sand scratches and all the modeling. So we're gonna make this car looking like a show car. What we're gonna be doing, we're gonna change the color of the car. We are gonna be painting the inside of the dash. We are gonna be painting everything. Doors are gonna come off, trims are gonna come off. The bodywork's pretty much on point. It does have little nicks here and there that I'm gonna have to fix, which it's gonna get fixed. The inside of the trunk, it is gonna get painted. Inside of the trunk, and also the floor pan of the trunk, it's also gonna get painted. So everything from this car is gonna get a brand new paint job. Right here, all of this floor pan, all of it, everything's gonna get painted. All these rubber seals are gonna get replaced. So everything, guys, it's gonna be a step-by-step on how to paint a lowrider. The inside of the dash is all metal, so all of this is going to get painted. The steering wheel column is going to get painted. So I'm going to show you how to cover everything up, paint the inside. We're going to be removing and reassembling everything. We're going to be removing doors, we're going to be removing fenders, also the wheel wells on the bottom. Right here, everything's going to get a brand new freshly painted surface, guys. The chrome is going to be redone. So let's get to it. First of all, what we're going to have to do is start removing all the chrome so that we can get this show on the road. Here we go. First thing we're going to do, and if you're not familiar with my channel, the first thing I do, get myself a Sharpie, start addressing all the issues from the car. All the little dents, all the little nicks and everything. I'm gonna circle them and I'm gonna address them. So let's just do that. I look down the side. That's the best way you're gonna figure it out, and start addressing them. And there you go. I circled all the little, they're like little dings, but this car pretty much intact, guys. Whoever did this bodywork did a decent job. I need to circle these. I just saw two of them. These right here, they're not dents. It looks like when you're painting or something that let's say the shirt or the whatever you're wearing touches it, that's what it looks like. But other than that, I do see minimal damage, so that's good. I went back, I circled the other two that we needed, and we're good to go. Now what I'm going to start doing, removing the chrome. All right, I have removed this right side quarter panel molding, and if you've never removed these kind of moldings, guys, it has 4 screws type fasteners, which you're gonna have to get into there, and there's 4 of them. The other ones, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 push pin type fasteners. All right, and I can see that these are aftermarket. Usually these are metal, but they did the job. So that's how they're installed. It's got 4 and then 7 push pins. Now another thing you want to see right there, guys, whoever painted the car did not even remove the molding. You can see all the where they taped it up, and that there's no paint underneath, which is a no-no. You gotta remove it, guys. Let's do this car right. Let's start removing this piece, which has two nuts on the side to remove this housing, and then there's a couple of nuts to remove the outer. There you go, right there. Now let's remove the outer. There we go, we removed it, and we put the little screws and clips in a little Ziploc bag and taped it up to the molding. That way we know where these go. Well, at least they removed the backlighting to paint the inside, because they didn't do that to this molding. Another thing, they didn't remove the seal. It's, look at this. Look at this, guys. It just takes a little time just to remove it, and it is going to take a little longer, but the finished product, it'll be a lot cleaner, a lot more professional. So just remove it. Right here you can see all the trims, all the weather strippings, everything is getting removed the way it's supposed to be. So now I'm gonna start, we need to start removing this inner panel right here and that one over there, so that we can reach, there's a couple of bolts that are holding this trim piece here. I already removed this one, but let's start removing these so that I can start removing this one also. This one needs to come out first because this one goes in just a tad, but it does go in and I don't want to break it. All this back has been removed. As you can see, it's a different color, but they didn't paint it. All of this has been removed already. These clips, I'm gonna have to get them through the inside, but as you guys know, I already removed the glass. Right there is that little corner piece, and the glass is gonna be back here. So everything, guys, I remove everything, make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to. So that's the perfect way to do it. As you can see right there, they didn't paint all this, and there's a lot of surface rust that we're gonna have to take care of. But that's the way you're supposed to do it. Remove everything. And that is the only way to do it, to remove everything that can be removed. But this will be it. This will be it for this video. I'm gonna finish up removing all the rest of the trims. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel so you can see this build. Also, I want to know, what color do you think this car is gonna be? We're gonna change the color. What color do you think it's gonna be? Put it in the comments below, and I'll let you know. All right, thank you very much, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll see you this coming week, and like always, stay safe and God bless.